Yes, it finally came. The AudioScape D-Comp. I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing of this, just cause why not? I've been waiting for this thing for a little while. Man, I can't wait to use it. It's gonna be really great on my drum bus. I know it's also supposed to be great on a master bus. And ooh, look at this. Can you see? Got a AudioScape koozie. Let's see. Got a sticker. Love my stickers. Awesome. Like the little touches. This cool spec sheet. Really dig that. IEC cable. Let's see what's in here. Got the external power supply. Anything else? Set this down. Very nicely packed with some foam. Alright, and the final unveiling. Yes, this thing feels so solid, looks so clean. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, so dope. Love it. Yeah, so for those who don't know, the design of the compressor is that of a diode-bridge. And it kind of has the effect of really thickening up like a drum bus or your master bus. Kind of provides some coloration and some really serious and aggressive compression. Inputs and outputs. Our power supply jack, got a vent up top and on the sides. Got these cool chicken head knobs. Let's see, I think, yeah, some of them are stepped, others are not. The attack is stepped. Side chain, the high pass frequency sidechain selection is stepped. There's a few different modes, compression limiting and output metering mode. I guess that's what these are for meter. That is stepped, and then yeah, input is free floating. What a beautiful piece. I cannot wait to get this on some mixes. Oh, also forgot this has bypass switches here, and power button, link. Oh, these meters look so great. Holy cow. Yeah, just one for left and right. I can kind of peer on, in the inside here. I'm not sure if you can see that, probably not, but the circuit board looks nice and clean. Got some beefy components in there. AudioScape is known for this hand selecting, just exacting matches of the circuitry components for their gear that they assemble. And that's important because a lot of people are looking for more affordable recreations of the gear of yesteryear, and these guys do it the best, hands down. Really stoked to be a part of the AudioScape family. Yeah, I can't thank the team over there enough for their help in getting some of their pieces in my studio. They've been adding a lot to the mixes I've been doing, and can't wait to get my hands on some more. Alright, let's get this thing racked up. Hey, real quick, if you're digging any of my music you heard on this video, and want to link to get some production or mixing done on some of your own tunes, hit me up, because I do that sort of thing all the time for a wide variety of artists. And I teach lessons on these subjects as well. Also, if you dig what I'm doing on the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so I can continue to grow and provide better content for you. Thanks. Alright, so let's see. I've already got a few leads here. I'm not sure if you can see, maybe right here, but my leads I've got are color coded, much like my patch cables here. And I always, I go by a certain ordering convention where I have, if I've got, you know, a pair and one is lighter colored than the other, I will put the lighter colored lead as the left one, you know, so I've got this light green colored lead going into the left side of the patch bay input and output for where I left the space for this D-Comp. That should work out. I'm gonna take this IEC cable, which I do not already have plugged in, and kind of do this in a similar fashion where I'll plug this in but leave this. I'm just kind of doing this because I'm a little lazy, but you know, why work harder than you need to? And you know, I might not actually be able to get this to where it needs to go anyways. Sorry, I feel like I'm riding the struggle bus right now. So I've got a spring reverb right here. And those can be notoriously noisy, so you probably want to just position this external power supply as far away from that as I can get. So I'm actually gonna give myself a bunch of space between where that lands. First input will be my lighter colored lead. Oop. That is a snug fit. All right. Making a connection there. Okay, lighter color for left. Right, that went in way easier. Let's see, I'll give it a space. Let it breathe. Oh man, so sick. That looks great. Alright, thanks for checking out my unboxing and installation of the AudioScape D-Comp limiter. Can't wait to have this thing just pulverize some drums into submission. And I'll be dropping a demo of this thing real soon, so be on the lookout. And thanks again to the team at AudioScape for getting this over to me. It's a great privilege to be on their artist roster, and I highly recommend you check out their products, as I can assure you they will be inspiring to use, look great in your racks, and above all, sound amazing. All right, stay safe and be well. Peace.